I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I don't know any Valentine songs. Do you know any Valentine songs? That's a good Valentine song. I like it. I like it. We're going to wave at all the cute girls out there. Hey, welcome to CockAtails. That's cocktails with a cockatoo. I'm the Wiz. This is the great and powerful Oz, and together we're the Wizard and Oz, and we're going to make you a cockatail today. It's Valentine's Day. We're getting close to it, so I got a special recipe for you called a passion cocktail. Ooh, passion. I should be French or something so passionate. Yes, you know, the French, they talk with their hands like the Italians. We got to know the hand movement, yes. We got this, we got this. Okay. I hate to see what the heck the editor's going to do with that, but it'll be entertaining for you anyway.
We got this, woo. Got this, woo. Got this, woo.
Okay, so what are we making? A passion cocktail. This is an easy start. We're going to get our cranberry juice, and we're going to do 3 ounces. So there's 1, 2, and 3 ounces. You want to try it? Okay, I don't blame you. He's not much on juices. What can I say? No, that's right. Not much on juices at all. We're going to do some orange liqueur. We're going to do like ½ ounce. That's going to be a heavy 2 splashes, but I think that'll be the right thing for this. Along with some lime juice. Oops. Sorry, sir. Did I disturb your perch? Here, turn around. Face that way. All better now. Yes, all better. Ooh, all better. Okay, who's imitating who? You tell me. Okay, so we got 1 ounce of lime juice, just because we need 1 ounce of lime juice. There we go. And then, where are we going to be without some tequila? This is the tequila we're using today. This is good stuff. You can sip this, you can drink it. This is pretty good. 2 ounces of tequila. Yes, you hold my hand to make sure I measure properly. Yeah, exactly. Perfect. I got a lid. But you know what? As my dad always used to say, what you don't have in your head, you have in your feet. Excuse me a second. Because if you don't have it in your head, in other words, if you can't remember it, you got to use your feet to go get it. Forgot the lid to my shaker. See, Dad, he's still right after all these years. Gosh darn him. Give it a kiss. Atta boy. We're going to give this a shake. Ready? Yeah, shake it up. Shake it. Yeah, that's what we want. Much better. Ah. All right. We'll take our coupe with our little dried fruit. It's a coupe with fruit. It's all good. Let's give this a backwards 4. Oh, look at the color on that. That's perfect for Valentine's Day. And look at that, perfect 4. Man. Well, this might be a good time to remind you to like, subscribe, and to turn on notifications for more cockatails with a cockatoo. We like it when you're with us every week. We should make some videos doing this. People might like them. Let's give this a shot. CockAtails! We love you! Happy Valentine's Day! Day! Here we go. You ready to try a little sip? Nice kisses. Oh, that's delicious. That's really nice. And I promise you, a couple of these will lead to a nice night of passion. So get your passion cocktail. Join us next week on CockAtails. That's cocktails with a cockatoo. Woo! Yes, the arms. Perfect. We hope you enjoyed today's episode enough to follow and share with your friends. And we'll see you next time on CockAtails. That's cocktails with a cockatoo. Ozcapades, those are escapades with Oz. Or Joker's Wild, where we share one of our many 300 unique jokers.